Geometry, Chapter 2, Section 4, Deductive Reasoning. Deductive reasoning is the process of showing that certain statements follow logically from agreed upon assumptions and proven facts. So let's look at an example. Fact: all monkeys like bananas. Fact: Alice is a monkey. So the conjecture is Alice likes bananas. And let's follow through the reason. All monkeys like bananas. Alice is a monkey. So I connect these two. Alice is a monkey. Thus, Alice likes bananas. Let's apply some deductive reasoning with algebra. So here we go. We've got 5x minus 3 equals 2x plus 6. We're going to eventually figure out, well, what is x? So I can add 3 to both sides and get 5x equals 2x plus 9. The reason we can do that, the reason we can follow that logic is because the addition property. Next, I can subtract 2x from both sides and get 3x equals 9. The reason I can do that is because the subtraction property. And then I can divide by 3 for each side and get x equals 3. The reason I can do that is the division property. So I'm following through each step through a logical process. Why can I do that? I can add 3 to both sides. Why? Because of the addition property. I can subtract 2x from both sides. Why? The subtraction property. I can divide both sides by 3. Why? The division property. That's the logic that we're following. Now, Venn diagrams can be very helpful to understand deductive reasoning. So we're going to go through that previous example we did with monkeys and bananas. Now, Venn diagrams use circles. All right. So I'm going to make a circle here. This circle represents my monkeys. If you're a monkey, you are inside that circle. So Alice is inside the circle. That's Alice. Now I'm going to make another circle. If I'm a monkey, I like bananas. So I'm going to make another circle. This is going to be my banana circle. My like banana circle. Now, why did I put the monkey circle inside the banana circle? Because no matter where I am inside this monkey circle, I am inside the like banana circle. In other words, if I'm here, I'm still inside the like banana circle. If I'm here, I'm inside the like banana circle. So all monkeys are in the like banana circle. So Alice is a monkey, thus she likes bananas. Now, let's work this the other way. If I like bananas, does that mean I'm a monkey? Well, that blue dot likes bananas. Could be a human, could be something else, I don't know. But it's in the like bananas circle. Does that necessarily mean it's a monkey? No. So Venn diagrams can be very helpful to demonstrate and help understand how deductive reasoning works. Let's look at some more deductive reasoning. Back to some geometry concepts here. If two angles form a linear pair, then their non-common sides are opposite rays. So let's look at what we've got. Angle BAC and DAC form a linear pair. So this angle and this angle form a linear pair. So the conclusion is ray AB and ray AD are opposite rays. Well, opposite rays mean they are going in complete opposite directions. They're going complete opposite directions. So the thought process here that we would work through to determine this, we would go through that same sort of logic process. So since they form a linear pair, what does that mean? A linear pair means that BD is a line. We also know that BAD is a line. Because remember, a linear pair makes a line. So if those are lines, we could then state that, well, look, our AB is a ray, AD is a ray. So if it's a line, I can make a ray out of it by using an endpoint, and it continues in directions, infinite directions. So A being my endpoint. So I made rays. And since I know that these are rays on this line, and they both have the same endpoint, they must be opposite rays. Let's do a little bit of algebra review. So we're given the measure of angle ABC equals the measure of angle DBE, which equals the measure of angle EBF. Let's mark those. ABC is congruent to DBE, which is congruent to EBF. So those are all congruent. And then we've got angle C, the measure of angle CBD is 97 degrees. And it asks us to solve what is the measure of angle ABF. So it's asking, what's this angle here? Well, let's work through this process. What do we know? We know that's a line. Thus, what does all that add up to? 180 degrees. So we've got, I'll call these x, they're congruent. X plus 97 plus x equals 180. So I'm going to subtract 97. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and do x plus x, and I get 2x equals 83. Divide by x, and I end up with 41.5. So this is 41.5. This is 41.5. Now, two ways I could go from here. Two ways we could go from here. I could think about the fact that those are vertical angles. I also could think about the fact that this whole thing here adds up to 180, and these two are congruent. Regardless which way you solve it, finding this, we get this angle. So 180, I subtract 41.5. Or I just think about the fact that these two angles, 97 plus 41.5, I will get the same answer for the angle, the measure of angle ABF ends up being 138.5. And that is the end of this lesson.